We are at Christie's in London for Christie's Lates, a curated art-filled evening organised by the auction house that aims to present the highlights for its upcoming auctions, inspire conversation and bring the art to life. This evening celebrates Picasso, marking his 50th anniversary since he passed away in 1973. Alongside Picasso's versatile works, there are talks, workshops and performances going on, all linking back to Picasso. It is a very popular event as usual, and there is a long queue to get in. We'll be exploring his ceramic pieces first.
So there's this Mesoamerican fever in sort of academia and literature now. Everyone was very excited by these Aztec civilizations, by these Mayan pyramids and these notched ceramics that they were discovering. And these also imported pottery of the time. So our top lot, which we don't have with us here, but you can see through in the kind of exhibition in the other room, is actually an Aztec vase, which isn't actually Aztec. It takes inspiration from the moche.
Next we'll be heading upstairs, where we will find exhibitions, workshops and performances inspired by Picasso. we'll be finishing our visit by checking out the contemporary exhibition. I hope you enjoyed this visit. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.